fastest I've had it on the road is
Damn.
yeah.
Where are you?
I will be bleeping that out of the video. Those are incriminating numbers. All right, so I ran into this guy.
What's up?
I heard him actually. I heard something. I saw something coming up from behind me.
Hey,
I said, "Is that the War Machine? Is that Derek's car?" So
It's me.
yeah, pretty badass. Oh shit! Look who it is. Oh man, that looks mean as. Anyway, holy crap. Check that shit out. Oh my god, that's loud. Woo. What's up, buddy? Wow, sounds and looks mean. Tuned by Livernois Motorsports. VE Commodore SS G8 Pontiac in the US. The War Machine in the house. Oh my gosh. Oh geez. Procharged, y'all. Can't even hear myself talk. Love this. Little throwback to Marvel Universe there.
645.
645 to the wheels?
Yep, 608.
Oh my god, 608 torque, 60. I can't even say the numbers. Jeez, that is awesome. 645 to the wheels. Man, I was gonna say, you better have some good tires.
Hey, listen,
all right, cool.
Sitting on the street tires, I gotta put a drag brake.
Yeah, you're gonna need it. That's a lot of power to the wheel, dude. This sounds good. Good shop too, man. Livernois, man.
Hey, I even changed the shifter handle, but most people don't know.
Oh yeah, that's right. I remember you mentioned that. There's that cool shift handle you did. Nice. That looks really good. So you got the Mishimoto fog lights.
Yep.
And what are these? Spec D. Okay, nice. I like those lights.
Savage G8 designs. I put the splitter on too.
Okay,
so.
nice.
DC
Savage
coilovers
G8
all the way around. I've
DC
got the
coilovers.
adjustable.
Oh, nice.
Even though my
Adjustables.
box is sitting on the rear ones where I usually can adjust the rear and the
Yeah,
front. So
yeah.
I got to cut out in the front.
Nice. I like these spotted taillights.
And I got a solo 3-inch exhaust on here.
Solo 3-inch.
And
What headers are you running?
Stainless works.
Stainless works. Sweet. 2-inch. Nice. I figured you'd be at least 2-inch.
Greg Nichols.
I've heard. Oh yeah, Greg Nichols. Yeah. Oh, he's the man.
Wait, if it wasn't for him telling me about the hood and get on the list,
Yeah.
I wouldn't have got the hood as
Oh,
fast
okay.
as I did. And basically, I got on the list right after Greg,
Yeah.
and Maverick told me 60.
Was that the Mav? Is that the Mav hood? Okay.
He told me 6 months to a year, but so many people
Okay.
ahead of me on the list backed out, so I got bumped up.
Right.
And
Because
I-
they're made to order, right?
Yeah. You know, I always got to carry my parents on the back since I lost them so
Yeah. There you go. That's awesome tribute right there, bro.
close. Yeah. Got my mom too on there.
Nice. Very cool.
Cool, but hey.
Yeah. Who makes these covers? MG something? MGP maybe? Okay. So this is just like an aesthetic cover until you get your
Yep.
CTS-V?
CTS-V.
CTS-V calipers on. Pretty cool.
Going to swap them out today, going to the bigger rotors and everything.
Nice. Yeah, you're gonna need bigger rotors, bigger. Those.
I've got rotors, everything. I
Yeah.
got the whole kit for ZZP.
Sweet. Love it, dude. Love it.
Mandatory upgrade.
Oh yeah. So that's doing. Oh yeah, definitely. You need that stopping power with that stuff in there.
Yeah.
So here's the nGAUGE that he has in his car, same one that Eric has.
So I got my AFR right there, air fuel ratio.
AFR. Nice.
And currently this nGAUGE is a multi-gauge, so it has everything on it, but it's currently set up for intake air temperature, fuel level, engine cooling temperature, and my MAF, the amount of air coming through.
Nice.
And look, you know I got my GoPro mounts all.
Yeah, I saw all your GoPro mounts ready to rock.
Yeah,
That's
I got the one on the back, so when I gap.
Yeah, I see the
Tell
one in the
Eric,
middle there.
When I gap them, I got the mount just to look back at.
Oh, this GoPro's dedicated to Eric, so we can get a view of Eric's the front of Eric's car from here. Super slow Eric, right there. Later, Eric. Oh my God, that sounds so badass.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
How do I look?
You look great. Ooh, you got the power, you know the push to start? That's
Yeah, I
good.
have a push start now.
Oh, that's right. You got a newer Subaru.
I'm coming up in the world.
Yeah, your Subaru's newer.
I have a backup camera.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even have to get my keys out to enter my...
Keyless entry. Punch the gas. Harder. There we go. There we go.
That's pretty fun.
I'm glad you weren't shy too. Dude, you can stop.
Wow.
Yeah, head-up display. Yeah.
That's really cool. I just have to lower the seal a little bit.
Yeah.
So I can see.
Yeah, because you're super tall. So, compared to me, so yeah. So yeah, that's a V8 launch.
That's pretty fun.
That's a V8 pull.
What are you trying to do, Armin?
Nothing. Just
I only have my Subaru for another like 2 years.
Hey.
I can barely change in maybe.
You can always, yeah, in 2 years you can explore other options.
Get something fun. I know, I would have gotten a WRX. However, I don't feel like you can get that car in automatic. It needs to be a stick.
Yeah, it's got to be a
I don't want to do
manual.